what we are doing. And then some of you may know, we do this on an annual basis. It alternates between October and November. But next week is Customer Appreciation Week. Does everybody remember this from last year? So sales team, we get pretty excited about it. And we're supposed to have a theme. And this year's company theme is Show Your Work. And so hotels were encouraged to kind of pick out like a feature of the property and kind of tie their theme around it. So our theme for this year is pretty cool, I think. It's called Make Chocolate, Not War. And so I've invited the sales team to help us kick this off. Woo!
Way to go, Sam. Get excited.
That was our morning workout. I hope everybody feels refreshed.
Thanks for joining in, everybody. Did you?
I know they wanted to wear a hat with you.
Thank you, Chef. I neglected to put on my hat, but that's okay. So next Wednesday is the actual day that we'll be making calls to the customers, thanking them for their business. And so on the 6th floor, next Wednesday, we will convert our offices into Club Coco. So please stop.